politics. Soon and very soon. Soon and very soon. You will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon. Soon and very soon. Soon and very soon. Even the last time you checked, everything is gone up. Bread gone up, rice gone up, sugar gone up, petrol gone up, even your blood pressure going up. And every morning, every problem's coming for you. Soon and very soon, you will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon. Soon and very soon, you will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon. And now that you're growing up, you've got one or two or few children, man's and those things them are still going on. Soon and very soon, you will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon. Soon and very soon, you will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon.
The inspector informs the workers that they were subjected to longer hours, which was in violation of the law. The inspector informs the workers that their employer agreed to pay them all outstanding overtime. Even though the workers are very tired and wiping off sweat, they are so happy to hear that there will be a change in the schedule. At least they will have enough time of rest. However, they are very concerned about the hours for which they were never paid.
Datang when you boys, come here, come here. Come. Listen here. The inspector was just and the working hours we currently have is illegal according to you. So we'll need to reschedule our working hours, and then also this is
Soon and very soon, you will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon. Soon and very soon, you will stop saying you don't believe in politics. Soon and very soon.
so please go back and work. Then wait here. What?
So this means that you owe us the overtime money.
I don't even answer to your questions now. I'll have to consult my records and come back to you. Then look along.